Hello sir, my name is Ken Van Monsales from Matago, Leyte, BSI Inte 3E. Senator Bato de la Rosa put for a bill that would have made plunder punishable by death to penalize corrupt public officials. Should the Philippines government permit this to become law? For me, sir, yes, the government should allow this law become corruption, severely damage the nation and steal from the people. Making plunder punishable by the death can serve as a strong warning to public officials and rape and help reduce large-scale corruption. It shows that the government is serious about justice. Number 2. Should same-sex union be made legal in our nation so that LGBTQ community can have the freedom to be whoever they choose to love? Justify your moral judgment on this matter. For me, sir, no same-sex union should be legalized because it's against the Filipino traditional moral values upheld by many Filipinos. Marriage should remain between a man and woman. Respect for moral beliefs is important to maintain social order and family values. That's all, sir. Thank you.